just had a small contest, and the contest was bring out the designer in you. So we asked people to sketch their own designs, and our official designer is going to select the two best designs, and those designs will feature in our range. So I would like to call out Miss Sabah and Miss Mariam for the best design. Please come up on the stage. Sabah and Mariam. And guys, trust me, those designs are really beautiful. There's a bit of professionalism in those designs. Thank you very much. And all I want to say is, hey, well, wait a minute. All the lovely boyfriends and husbands out there, why don't you just grab some beautiful designs to your beautiful girlfriends? Oh, see, a bit of a silence there. Alright, so all I want to say is, Anika is beautiful, you all are beautiful, and Anika makes you more. Thank you, have a great time.